Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's Halloween outfit on Dress to Impress. Super short and super cute, super sweet, I guess. Anyways, you are going to obviously need this, and I'm just going to color that in black, and then we're going to just toggle it to the second toggle, and then we're going to color that black as well. We do need that kiss pattern that she usually has on. Can I talk? Hello. And then we're going to need these like sleeves here, these cuffs, whatever you want to call it, just a cuff. So we're just going to use that, and we're just going to color everything in white and matte if you can do that. If not, just color everything in white, which I think is already in white. And then I am just going to use this for the like little piece of fabric she has on her neck. And then for the bow on her neck, we're going to use this one. I don't remember which toggle it is. Let me just, the fourth toggle in black. And then we are going to use these in black and glitter for both. And then we are going to use this headband. I'll just do the default one, it's fine. I don't know what she has on for shoes, but I'm just gonna wear these ones from the Valentine's Day one in like all black. I'll just leave the soles red. But that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.